You probably know what sumo is, and I am sure you've seen a sumo robot video somewhere. And this video we will make a mini sumo robot for beginners. Let's start by opening the box of our PCB boards for this. PCBs look great. So let's start soldering then. Wait, I forgot to mention that you can also solder these PCBs as SMD. In that case, I'll also solder it as SMD. I finally finished soldering. I soldered the resistors, capacitors and voltage regulators as SMD, while the others not SMD. The jumper here is used to change the voltage going to the sensors. You can set 3.3 or 5 volt. But our sensors work with 5 volt. Okay, let's prepare other parts for make the robot. And you can access the parts from the links in the descriptions. Our robot is now ready. We won't be using these buttons and OLED screen on the board while programming the robot. We'll use them for another project. If you look carefully at the sensors, you can tell if they are working or not from the visible light. And that's all. Let's load and run the code for our robot now. You can find more information about the project and the files through the links in the descriptions. Also, you can get your robots, PCB and chassis manufactured through PCBWay.com. PCBWay provides assistance to makers with not only professional PC production, but also 3D printing, CNC processing and many other services. Visit PCBWay.com for more information.